Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, let me begin by congratulating you, sir, for your election as the Speaker of this August House, and I look forward to working with you, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, I rise to update this August House on the progress and achievements of the formal employment services, which is the local arm of employment at the National Employment Centre under the Employment Ministry. The formal employment services, Mr. Speaker, sir, has undergone significant transformation over the past 2 years, and the services provided by the FES team have not only evolved but have been reshaped to meet the growing needs of our workforce and the demands of the rapidly changing labour market. Mr. Speaker, sir, since its inception, the National Employment Centre has evolved from a small-scale operation that was initially focused on local registration to a more comprehensive and proactive service designed to enhance job opportunities, community engagement, and employment empowerment locally. The landscape of formal employment services has changed significantly, with greater emphasis on accessibility to our local job markets, outreach, and personalized services. Our approach today is more holistic, focusing not only on matching individuals to jobs, but also on providing training, skills development, and support mechanisms to ensure sustained employment. Mr. Speaker, sir, this year, with the suspension of the registration of foreign employment due to the huge number of pending applications, we turned our focus on registration for local employment opportunities, demonstrating an unprecedented boost in engagement with both job seekers and employers. This is largely due to the extensive community awareness campaigns and employer engagement initiatives that have been undertaken to reach out to villages and even the outer islands. This initiative was essential to bridge the gap between the potential employees and employers, and the results are evident and beyond our expectations. Mr. Speaker, sir, as part of our ongoing efforts, we have focused on registering job seekers from rural and remote areas, providing them with access to local opportunities they would not have had otherwise. This initiative has been enhanced through various outreach programs, including local registration drives in key locations, such as Levuka Ovalau in the Tikina of Nasinu, where we connected with the local communities directly. Mr. Speaker, sir, the National Employment Centre Act mandates the conduct of life skills training and employment skills training, both of which are crucial in preparing our workforce for local employment. Mr. Speaker, sir, our life skills training is designed to equip individuals with soft skills necessary for success in any workplace, including communication, teamwork, and time management. It also helps foster personal growth, building confidence and resilience in our local job seekers. Employment skills training focuses on the practical, technical skills required to thrive in specific industries. These trainings have become essential in building a workforce that is adaptable and capable of contributing effectively to our economy. Mr. Speaker, sir, early this year, we strengthened our arrangements through a Memorandum of Understanding with the Australian Pacific Training Coalition, or APTEC, for the delivery of employment skills training, ensuring that the programs offered are aligned with the current industry trends that meet the needs of our employers across the country. The programs provided by APTEC are designed to equip job seekers with the technical expertise needed for employment in sectors with high demand, such as construction, engineering, hospitality, and community services, which includes caregiving. These training programs ensure that our workforce is not only job ready, but capable of thriving in the rapidly evolving job market. Mr. Speaker, sir, this training program, which covers up to Certificate 3 and Certificate 4, is provided by EPTEC, are free of charge. Mr. Speaker, sir, both trainings are vital in today's rapidly changing job market. They provide individuals with the necessary tools and competencies to not only secure jobs, but to succeed in them. The need for these training programs is clearer now more than ever, as they ensure that our workforce remains competitive, both locally and internationally. Mr. Speaker, sir, we are also partnering with other training institutions to provide skills training. Sir, as highlighted earlier, the team conducted awareness and local registration drives in Ovalau before providing life skills training to the job seekers there. Mr. Speaker, sir, in line with the Ministry's commitment to support the needs of our local job seekers, the NEC team has also been organizing job fairs across the country. These platforms not only provide an opportunity to job seekers to connect with potential employers, but also an avenue to showcase the skills and capabilities of our workforce. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Western Division Job Fair held in Nandi earlier this year was a resounding success. A total of 612 jobs were secured within the two-day event for the region. Mr. Speaker, sir, similarly, the Suva Job Fair at the end of October also provided a total of 1,289 job openings, with 605 jobs offered on the spot and the remainder sourced through continued engagement with employers. This success reflects the tireless work being done by the team to connect job seekers with the opportunities available in both our formal and informal sectors. The Suva Job Fair also provided the opportunity for my ministry to promote the coalition government's commitment to collaborate through public and private partnerships for effective utilization of resources and also reaching out to the widest sector of our community. Mr. Speaker, sir, I wish to acknowledge the Church of Jesus Christ of the Latter-day Saints for their commitment and support towards the initiative and for providing free venue for the job fair. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Church has also offered to host similar events at any of their centers nationwide. Mr. Speaker, sir, last week the team hosted the Northern Job Fair, which was held in Lambasa and attracted a huge crowd at the Lambasa Civic Center. This event also was a success, with 40 organizations offering 194 vacancies for people in the North. Such events empower communities and provide platforms for both employers and job seekers to connect and bridge the gap in accessing employment opportunities. While we are engaged in this, Mr. Speaker, sir, we also have other services on the spot. For example, the Fiji National Provident Fund, the FIRCA representatives to provide the TIN numbers, and also our expertise in terms of refining their curriculum vitae, the CVs. Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to acknowledge the support from the Fiji Police Force Jazz Band, who were conducting community awareness in the north and came in to support my ministry, providing entertainment and awareness to our citizens last Thursday at the Lambasa Civic Center. Mr. Speaker, sir, from the 5th to the 7th of November, that is from tomorrow until Saturday, we are also partnering with the Ministry of Youth and Sports to host a fair for the youth in the Central Division at the National Stadium, where they will have the sporting events and other activities together with the job fair. Youths will be able to excess employees who will be present there and then see who matches what, and hopefully a number of jobs will be secured there as well. Mr. Speaker, sir, we are also organizing a job fair in Ba, most likely by the end of January or early February, where we will get job seekers right from up to Tagwa and Rekireki together to meet with the employers and secure jobs. Mr. Speaker, sir, we are going to provide a bus to those who are going to travel from Rekireki and Tagwa to Ba. Mr. Speaker, sir, through these efforts of the local arm of the National Employment Center, the ministry has made great strides in reshaping the employment landscape. Our work is not only about filling job vacancies, it's about building a sustainable local workforce, empowering individuals and ensuring that no one is left behind in the quest for employment opportunities. Mr. Speaker, sir, as we move forward, we will continue to refine our approach, strengthen our collaboration and partnerships with all the stakeholders to expand our reach to all the corners of the country. The road ahead is one of continued transformation, and I am most happy with the progress we have made and the positive impacts that we are having on the lives of our fellow ordinary Fijians. It brings great satisfaction, Mr. Speaker, sir, seeing the smiles and acknowledgements from our very own people. Mr. Speaker, sir, approximately 2,500 plus jobs that have been secured so far means 2,500 plus families are actually being sustained and benefiting. Mr. Speaker, sir, the jobs are available out there. It is about connecting the job seekers with the potential employers. And as we continue to do this, we are going to assist with poverty alleviation, we are going to assist with the eradication of social problems, we are going to engage our youths beneficially and gainfully as well as meaningfully towards contributing to our nation building. Mr. Speaker, sir, this initiative will continue, and I am sure there will be more jobs secured in future. I also wish to very briefly respond to Mr. Usamate's, Honorable Usamate's, my apologies, sir, Honorable Usamate's, is a very old friend of mine, so contribution yesterday regarding the Tibet training programs that we need to emphasize on. Mr. Speaker, sir, it is true that Tibet training was available at our school level from year 9, year 10 onwards. Those centers were attached to the secondary schools those days, and they were very successfully done. After that, they could go attend Fiji National University and continue with the level 4 or level 3 and 4 and then enter the job market. We also saw the opening of the technical colleges in 2014, I believe, 16, 15, and then closure of the technical colleges in 2019. But before when the technical colleges were open, all the Tibet centers were closed. And then later on, the technical colleges were also closed. So we lost our Tibet training completely there. Mr. Usamate and I worked together at the, Honorable Usamate and I worked together at the National Productivity and Training Center at FNU. And we also fought very hard, resisting the annexa of the NTPC into FNU. But we both failed because I was removed from my position. And Honorable Usamate came into Parliament, and then he forgot to continue the fight. Unfortunately, I don't blame him, Mr. Speaker, sir. I don't blame him at all. Honorable Usamate unfortunately, there was a single boss those days and nobody else had any say. So we are now coming back. We are reopening the technical colleges. We are reopening the TVET centers thanks to the Ministry of Education, the Honorable Minister, and the training is now ongoing. Thank you very much for the opportunity, Mr. Speaker, sir.